Let's start. Mr. Chairman, sir, as the other honorable members have pointed out, this bill has had a very checkered history. I do not think in the history of Parliament after this country became independent, any bill has suffered the duress of circumstances so badly as this bill has suffered, but all the same, it does indicate the confused thinking of the government of India. Really, how to explain the situation? This bill has been introduced again in the 4th Lok Sabha. As the Honorable Member Professor D.C. Sharma pointed out, this bill has assumed really a very peculiar character because somehow or other neither the government nor the persons have been able to explain fully as to what exactly they want to do with the patents in this country. This bill was also introduced in the 3rd Lok Sabha, but it could not be passed. It was always said that it was due to lack of time which prohibited this bill to be passed. The life of one Lok Sabha is 5 years. I am surprised that in the life of the 2nd Lok Sabha it was not passed. In the life of the 3rd Lok Sabha it was not passed, and it has now come in the 4th Lok Sabha. Let us really accept that this bill will see a better fate now. Parachin. It is not that there was any lack of material, as the honorable member who just spoke before me pointed out. Many committees were appointed. First of all, a committee was appointed by the government of India to go into the entire law patents. A patents inquiry committee was appointed which went into the entire details of patent system and formulated proposals based on UK pattern. That was introduced in December 2003, but it lapsed. I do not think that the government can convince this country or outside that this piece of proposed legislation lapsed because of lack of time. We are not innocent as all that we could not find time for an important law when we require this law to be passed or to be given a shape because of the requirements of rapid technological developments in the country. Does it create a good impression? The whole world has always been talking about our patents. In the last 12 years, we have not been able to do anything. Stop. Thank you.